Menopause. Introduction. Eggs become implanted in the uterus when they are fertilized. Select true or false. Correct. If fertilized, the egg becomes implanted in the uterus where the fetus grows. The ovary is a gland. Select true or false. Correct. The ovary is a gland that produces two important hormones called estrogen and progesterone. Menopause is the first time a woman misses her period. Select true or false. Correct. Menstrual periods become irregular as menopause approaches, but factors such as stress or illness could cause a missed period before menopause. In postmenopause, women can no longer have sex. Select true or false. Correct. Women can have sexual intercourse after menopause. All women experience hot flashes and mood changes during menopause. Select true or false. Correct. Each woman experiences different signs of menopause and for different lengths of time. The only common sign is that the menstrual period stops. Hot flashes can be accompanied by night sweats. Select true or false. Correct. Night sweats can accompany hot flashes that are severe enough to wake you from a sound sleep. Which one of the following statements is correct about life after menopause? Choose one of the following options. 1. Women can no longer get pregnant. 2. Women can no longer get sexually transmitted diseases. 3. Women can no longer have sex. Correct. After menopause, women can no longer get pregnant. But until it has been 1 year without a period, you should still use birth control if you do not want to become pregnant. Menopause causes depression. Select true or false. Correct. Menopause does not cause depression. Hormonal changes may affect a woman's mood during menopause, especially if she is under a lot of stress. Which of the following is a benefit of exercise? Choose one of the following options. 1. Bone and muscle strength. 2. Stress reduction. 3. Burn fat and lower cholesterol. 4. All of the above. Correct. Thank you for using Explain.